Welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk through how to create an inspection in the Vehicle Inspection module. This is slightly different from an inspection request. Here, you're actually logging and managing the inspection itself, filling in the key details that define what the inspection covers, when it applies, and any important notes that go along with it. Let's get into it. From the Vehicle Inspection menu on the left side panel, click on Inspections. This is your central hub for viewing and managing all inspections in the system, whether they're newly created, in progress, or already completed. On the Vehicle Inspection Setup page, click the Add button to start filling out a new inspection. A form will appear where you'll enter all the necessary details. The first field to fill in is the name. Click on it and type in a clear, descriptive name for the inspection. This is what will identify this particular inspection in the system, so make it specific enough that anyone on your team can tell exactly what it refers to just by reading the name. Next, click on the time period field to set the time frame this inspection covers. This could be a specific month, quarter, or whatever period makes sense for your operations. Getting this right is important. It's what keeps your inspection records properly organized and easy to filter through later. Now, click on the Notes field. This is your space to add any extra context or special instructions related to the inspection. Maybe there's something specific the inspector needs to pay attention to, or a condition that was flagged previously. This is the right place to capture all of that. Good notes make a big difference when someone else needs to pick up where you left off. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click the Create button to save everything. The inspection is now officially logged in the system and ready to be actioned by the relevant team members. And that's how you create an inspection in the Vehicle Inspection Management System. It's a straightforward process, but filling in each field carefully makes a real difference in keeping your records clean and your team aligned. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.